My name is Todd Musgrave, and we're at InfoComm 2018 at the Marshall Electronics booth. This section is highlighting all of our new cameras coming out before the end of this year. The CV506H12 is a HD 1080p at 120 frames per second. So fast frame rates, very good for fast motion racing, sports, machine vision, other Pro AV where motion is a factor. Price point on this one is $900, list price, and is available mid-fourth quarter. The CV380CS is a full UHD 30 frames per second with outputs 6G SDI and HDMI 1.4 with an 8.5 megapixel sensor. So UHD 30 and HD resolution. So you get that 6G and 3G and HD SDI as well as an HDMI output. Price point on this one is $1,500 list price and will be available mid-fourth quarter. CV420CS is our full 4K 60 and UHD 60 resolution camera, highlighting a 12 megapixel sensor, 12G SDI and HDMI 2.0 outputs. Also can do the HD resolutions, and with the higher performing sensor, it's a great option for future-proofing your workflow. For more information, and the CV612 is our full-featured PTZ, which is a UHD up to 30 frames per second. These are controllable via Crestron and Extron modules, as well as RS-232 and RS-422. So if you need a full 4K PTZ camera with the ability of HD, this is a good option as well. Our full list price on this one is $3,500 and is available now. For more information about our cameras, please visit marshall-usa.com for feature sets, spec sheets, and more information.